Hello everyone. If you're a fresher, a final year engineering graduate, or someone trying to switch into the IT industry, you might be asking yourself one important question. How do I actually become a software developer? Many people learn programming languages in the college or through different online resources. But when it comes to building a real software application, many freshers feel stuck. Today, companies are not just looking for people who know programming syntax or just the theory, they are looking for real developers who can actually build backend APIs, design databases, understand how real systems work, and deploy applications in the real environments. And that is the exact gap we want to solve at KSR. Every year, thousands of engineering graduates enter the job market, but many of them face the same challenge. They know the basics of programming, but they have never built complete applications from scratch. Modern software development requires practical skills such as backend development, API design, database architecture, version control using Git, and deploying applications to the cloud. Without these real world skills, it becomes very difficult to clear technical interviews. At KSR, our goal is simple. We want to help freshers and aspiring developers transform themselves into job ready software engineers. Before we talk about the program roadmap, let's quickly understand how real applications actually work. Think about an app like Instagram or PhonePe that you use every day. What you see on the screen, the interface, buttons, and screens, that is called a front end. Now, when you click on something, for example, when you like a post on Instagram or check your balance on PhonePe, something happens behind the scenes. Your app sends a request to the backend API. The backend service processes the request, fetches or updates the data from database, and then sends the response back to the app. All of this logic runs on the servers that are deployed in the cloud. So, in simple terms, every modern application has three main parts: the front end, which user interacts with, the back end, which processes the logic, and the database and the cloud infrastructure where everything runs. In this program, we will learn how this entire flow works and how to build an application from scratch. Now, you might ask, why focus on Java? Because Java continues to be one of the most widely used technologies in the software industry. Large companies, fintech platforms, banking systems, and large enterprise systems rely heavily on Java to build secure and scalable backend services. Technologies like Java, Spring Boot, REST APIs, SQL databases, and microservices are consistently among the most in demand backend skills. This program focuses on making you strong in backend development while also introducing front end integration so that you understand how the complete application works. Let me walk you through the roadmap of this program. The journey is designed as a 5-month structured program that gradually takes you from programming basics to building real world systems. In the first phase, we focus on strong programming foundations. Many freshers initially feel that coding is difficult or intimidating. So, the first goal is to remove the fear and build confidence with programming. You will learn core Java, object oriented programming, and important concepts like collections and debugging. During this phase, you will build your first real application, a campus portal engine which manages records and system operations through a Java application. This stage helps you to start thinking like a programmer and solving real world problems with code. In the second phase, we move into databases and web fundamentals. You will learn how exactly data is stored and managed using SQL and relational databases. You will also understand how web applications communicate using HTTP and REST APIs. At this stage, you will build a smart resource platform, a database driven applications connected to web interface. This helps you understand how real applications store and retrieve data. In the third phase, we move into the heart of the backend development. Here, you will learn Spring Boot, which is the most widely used frameworks for building enterprise level backend services in Java. You will also learn how to design REST APIs, structure backend applications, connect databases using JPA and Hibernate, implement authentication and validation. During this phase, you will know how to build a real backend system like workforce management systems. By the end of this phase, you will understand how backend systems that power real applications are actually built. In the next phase, we introduce front-end integration and real-world deployment. You will understand how front-end applications communicate with the backend APIs and how entire complete end-to-end application works. You will also learn essential developer tools such as Git, GitHub, version control workflows used in real teams, and cloud deployment using AWS. With respect to AWS, you will also learn how to launch servers using EC2, configure security groups, deploy backend applications, and make your applications accessible through a public live URL. At this stage, you will build a project called Digital Commerce Platform where backend services are connected with a user interface and also deployed online. This means your applications will not just run on your laptop, they will be live on the internet. And that live project link can be shared directly on your resume or your GitHub profile. Another important part of this program, we focus on problem solving and understanding how real systems work. You will be introduced to data structures and algorithms, which are very important for technical interviews. We focus on practical patterns such as arrays, hash maps, and common interview problems. Along with that, we also introduce you to system design basics. For example, how WhatsApp handles billions of messages every day, how Uber connects riders and drivers in real time, how platforms like Instagram scale to support millions of users. Understanding these systems help you develop a real engineering mindset beyond just writing code. The goal of this program is not just to teach programming. The goal is to help freshers develop the skills, confidence, and real experience that is needed to start a career in software development. By the end of this journey, you will have multiple real projects built during the program, a strong GitHub portfolio showcasing your code, experience designing backend systems using Java and Spring Boot, and real experience deploying applications on the cloud using AWS with live project URLs that you can share with the recruiters. Most importantly, you will gain the confidence to attend technical interviews and explain the work that you have built. If you're serious about building a career in technology, the next few months can completely change your future. At KSR, we are committed to help you take the first step towards becoming professional developer. Join our job ready Java full stack program today.